For logging on to KOCO.com as well as your KOCO 5 mobile app. It will be a windy start to Monday morning as you head out the door. Temperatures in the upper 60s, tracking a cold front that will actually at least take away this unbelievable heat that we had this afternoon. Low to mid 90s, even a few areas close to 100 degrees across the state. So winds are coming out of the north early in the morning, gusting between 20 to 45 miles per hour by 6 a.m. from Oklahoma City, Clinton, Enid, up to Ponca City. Winds even across the metro, gusting over 40 miles per hour by 8 a.m. and expected it's going to stay windy throughout most of the day tomorrow. Winds will not really begin to come down until tomorrow afternoon. So we'll talk a lot more about the changes that are rolling in with this front and when it will finally feel a lot more like fall on KOCO 5 News at 10 o'clock.